Hey, welcome back. Hands on with BLG here. I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I'm Righty. I don't think you can see outside very well, but listen to this. Can you hear it? That's rain. Still. It's not that big a deal. We get the thunderstorms going through every now and then and whatnot. But what you're listening to right now, folks, we've got flood warnings. We've had them all day. We still have them now. I love the sound of this when I'm sleeping. You can see it's not stopping traffic on Dogwood at all. But, yeah, it's kind of rare. We've had 9 inches of rain today. Just today. 9 inches of rain. The water's gotten higher here in Milton than I've seen, but it just seems to back off just enough where it drains out of our lot over there on Morgan. It's come up all the way. That's the lot you're looking at, is on Morgan Street, all the way up that driveway, and to ours and everything. But yeah, 9 inches of rain, and it ain't stopping yet. Kind of cool. Just thought I'd let you know, a little fill in with Hands On with BLG. The weather here, almost December, end of November, thunderstorms, and, well, yeah, this is kind of rare. Yeah, I'm guessing we're probably up to about 10 inches of rain right now for today, in one day. But see, it's not stopping the traffic. You can see the traffic going by if I go that way. But yeah, most people are locking down, batting down the hatches. But see, there goes cars. See? Dogwood is completely open. No problem. We got good drainage here. So, yeah, that's pretty weird. Just thought I'd let you know. Quick little update. See, there goes more traffic on Dogwood. Just fine. But on this street, yeah, good luck. They had the, delivery trucks. What do you call them? I can't want to say what that. They had the UPS and FedEx trucks come down the street earlier today, and they're 1-ton trucks, just like the motorhome. You can't see the motorhome; it's right there. But listen, it's raining even harder now. But the water was going in their doors, and cars were coming through here too. Water going in their doors as they came through up above the bottom of the door level. Pretty cool. But it's starting to rain in right now, and I'm going to go back to bed and listen to this and sleep like a little baby. Just thought I'd let you know. It's a pretty cool update, I think, anyway. Wow. This hasn't rained this hard since Tropical Storm Gordon. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, for Hands On with... I don't have my hat on, do I? For Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. The guy not under the hat. And I'm Lefty. And I am Righty. We'll see you back here in the next episode. Hands On with BLG. Listen to that. One last listen. Absolutely shocking. Man, has it been raining. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. I'm going to bed. Goodbye.